Hi everyone, my name is Mahadev Kolluru and I'm the Senior Vice President of Business here at VeriSilicon, where we engage with customers on two different engagement models. One is IP licensing of our digital processor cores, whether it's on the imaging, ISPs, video encoder, decoder, or graphics, machine learning IPs, or our DSP processors, our compute engines, and also as well as our analog and mixed signal IP. On the second front, we also work with customers on the spec to production complete design and manufacturing turnkey services. We work with leading foundries globally and as well as supply chain vendors globally as well, bringing cost-effective solutions for our customers' applications. Here, the innovation in AI and AR glasses is being driven by the diversity of the use cases. The first generation of AI/AR glasses were rather bulky, coming at 70 to 80 grams in weight, and with a battery life of 1 to 2 hours only, they were practically difficult to be used for extended periods of time. But subsequently, industry has been trying to bring in advanced AI capabilities into AI and AR glasses and helping bring an immersive experience to the users. Recent advances in the technologies, whether it's on lightweight materials for manufacturing the eyeglasses frames, or whether it's in the improved battery technology, or in the ultra-low power design methodologies, are helping achieve the second generation of AI/AR glasses get to less than 50 grams in weight and potentially up to 10 to 12 hours of battery life on a single charge. And these would immensely help in bringing AI/AR glass capabilities into prescription eyeglasses for normal daily wear. Okay. The first products that we have here, a couple of products here on AI/AR glasses which use our 2.5D GPU core GC Nano Ultra, as well as where we did the silicon spec to production services for our customers. These products actually, with the spatial monitors of 200 plus inches width, you can view movies in real time on these glass displays. You can also have up to three simultaneous windows open with your browser, audio and images viewing simultaneously. The AI capabilities on these glasses help bring transformative experience to the users. We work closely with Google Research and on the audio AI inquiries through audio and video tokenization, and translating essentially the sensor modalities into neural encoding and effective bandwidth transmissions and ultra-low power bandwidth transmissions. So for more details of this, we'll look at the next demo. But for more details of how VeriSilicon brings services and capabilities to customers, you can go to our website, www.verisilicon.com. Thank you.